Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after the whole reset option. So to do that, we have to tap on this 4 dots icon here and go to the settings. So the first option on the left. Then scroll all the way down to find reset settings. And here tap on reset, and as you can see, we just came back to the camera, and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.